everyone, my name is Danielle and welcome to another episode of Board Game Bakes. This is a fun show where we make board game pieces and components in tasty edible form. This week we're going to focus on Scooby Doo, Escape from the Haunted Mansion. This is a escape room game, and the Op Games was nice enough to send me a copy to play and recreate. We're going to make an edible version of the little envelopes that you have that give you your secret messages. If you look up Scooby snacks, they're usually kind of like a graham cracker type thing. So we're going to make a honey cinnamon sugar cookie piñata cookie. And when you crack it open, inside there'll be sprinkles and a secret message. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you need. I'll list them below. First thing you want to do is cream together your sugar and your butter like you would for most sugar cookies. And while you're laying that cream together, you can mix together the rest of your dry ingredients. Give it a little whisk, mix it up. Once that's all creamed together, you want to scrape down the bowl and add in the honey. You give that a mix. Then add in your egg. Mix it again. There's a little bit of milk. Now once this is all smooth, you're going to start incorporating your flour. I generally just add a little bit at a time instead of just doing it in batches. The dough's a little crumbly, so I scraped it all onto the counter and took a little time to knead it so it was more of a cohesive blob. And I wrapped it up into discs and put it in the fridge. You want to let it cool for at least an hour or chill. And I rolled it out. You want it like a quarter of an inch thick. And I have squares, obviously, because I need square envelopes. And I have a smaller square to go inside. Each cookie is 3 cookies, and you want 2 of them to be full squares and 1 of them to have the hole out. And you want to bake them at 375, the whole ones for 7 to 9 minutes, and the ones with holes in them probably closer to 7 minutes. Now it's time to decorate. First I did the outline in white. There's 1 blob and a little label on top of it. And then I filled in the outside and filled in the inside with a light green. And the label with a dark purple. Technically this says secret envelope on the actual envelope, but I was not going to fit that there. And I decided that the best way to write all the things I needed was to do it in edible marker. So it says Scooby Doo, Escape from the Haunted Mansion. And then using a thick royal icing, I wrote, do not open until instructed. Now we need to assemble our piñata cookies. The first step is to mix together whatever sprinkles you want. I have a blue and a green sprinkle. Again, a little mix. You can write whatever you want to a little thing. So mine says subscribe to Board Game Bakes. And now you want to take your bottom cookie and put royal icing around the outside. And then you attach the middle cookie and fill it with sprinkles. And put that little secret note on top. And now you're going to outline the top line again with royal icing. And then put on the lid, and your secret is safe. Thanks for watching this video to learn how to make your own Scooby Doo piñata cookies. If you liked the video, then go below and click like, and while you're down there, hit subscribe. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!